sponsored by Ancheer. So let's get into it, y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So guys, before we start this video, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe, share this video out. Okay guys, so today I am in a collaboration with a company called Ancheer. They sent this walking pad treadmill over to me to do a review on it. So y'all know I'm gonna get into this review, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys all the details about this powerful walking pad, y'all. So let's get into it, y'all.
I'd be content to just be a caption. You on display is my distraction, cause you're a work of art, and I can't wait to start me and your friend tonight. You were a movie, I wanna be the plot that's written up. Camera filming me up, and baby I'ma be a co-star.
Okay guys, so I finally have everything together, guys. So first of all, it comes with the remote control. This is the remote control. I like it because you could just put it in your pocket. You could just place it in your pocket while you're working out. It has a lot of functions on this remote control. I love it because you can like pause it. You can also change the incline to up or down. If it's too strong for you, you can control it and make the incline lower or higher. It also goes up to 300 pounds. So if you're 300 pounds, you're good to go. It also has knee protection, which is really great function.
Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. This Ancheer is amazing. I already feel like I shedded some pounds. I will have the link in the description if you are interested in purchasing this Ancheer walking pad treadmill, honey. I'm gonna give it a 10. I feel everything in my legs, my lower legs, my calves, and I just feel amazing right now. So get yours today. Tell them I sent you, and you're gonna love it. I do like that it's very portable. It's very convenient. It's a space saver. You know how they have the original treadmills where they're so big and clunky, but these are just like really a nice size. But right now I'm gonna slide mine's. I'm going to take my walking pad treadmill. I'm going to just put it under my bed because, honey, I will be breaking out on this thing more, okay? Because, you know, a sister trying to tone it down. I like that you can power walk, you can run, you can jog, you can just walk. You can incline it to 0 all the way up to 10%. You can put it on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way up, child. So this is a really, really great workout. So yeah, I really, really loved it. Thank you, Ancheer, for sponsoring my video. But now I'm gonna put this away. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.